Check out this Pontiac at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Pontiac Tempest Custom Convertible. Badging is correct up here. 326 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome headlight surrounds grille on this car. Has had a repaint, but it was an original Mankato red car. As you can see, chrome bright work up front, looks good. Paint, nice reflection coming off that. And you can see nice straight body panels as long as the panels are on that car. Take a look at the reflection coming off the paint. This is not a Midwest car. Take a look at the underside pictures. Check out the floor pans, frame. Check it out close. Looks good underneath there. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style wheels, radial tires. Red interior, and the seats appear to be original. Would have been an original red interior car. Carpet has been replaced. In the still pictures, you'll also be able to see the carpeting without the floor mats. In there, I have it both ways. White vinyl power top. Come around to the rear of it. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the rear of this. Custom insignia still in the trunk. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also has the convertible boot and a storage bag for it, and that will be shipped in the trunk with this car. We're going to run up the top here at the end of this video too, so you can check that out, and then we'll wrap the video up. And you can also see the top in the still pictures. Don't forget to check those out. There's over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Again, look up and down the driver's side of this car. Reflection all the way to the front door. So paint does show well. It's a car that's been driven. You may find some imperfections here and there, but overall, this car does look as good in person as it does in the video and pictures. All right. Played around with the interior and some of the accessories here a second ago. Wipers do work. I did not get the radio to produce any sound. It does power up. Blower fan works. We're going to go ahead and start this up, let you hear it run. Of course, the ignition switch over the left hand side on these. There you can hear the blower fan kick in. Car starts easily. Again, 326 V8 underneath the hood. Aftermarket gauge cluster underneath here. Amp meter, oil pressure you can see is good. And water temperature. That was a cold start, so assuming the water temperature is going to come up with the temperature of the engine. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Again, custom insignia on the dash. Odometer shows 74,971 according to the previous owner. That is original miles. I cannot confirm or deny. I do not have paperwork that would prove that. And of course, it doesn't stay on the title once the car is so old. It will be marked exempt. But kind of judging by the underside of this car, judging by the condition of the seats, which do appear to be original, I wouldn't be surprised if that is the original miles at all. The door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes. No crazy cam, anything like that. According to the previous owner, the engine had been freshened up. Gasket seals gone through. All right, we're going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll take a look at the top and finish up this video. All right, underneath the hood, nice and clean. Engine bay looks fairly stock. We'll dress up with the chrome valve cover, chrome air cleaner cover. Once again, 326, paired with an automatic transmission, power steering. What you'd expect. the engine bay to look like in a 1965 Pontiac Custom Tempest Custom. There's the engine bay and under the hood. I'm going to go ahead and run that top up and close down the hood, shut it off, and we'll check out that top real quick, and then we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Again, power top. Power top worked fine. See how nice and tight it fits above the windshield trim there. And again, I did not notice any holes, rips, tears. It is vinyl. Obviously the rear window, see through it fine, so that's clear. And you just get some of these folds, kind of marks. It's not any holes or cracks or anything like that, just how it folds up when the top goes down. Take a look over here at the passenger side. It'll serve the purpose. You want to stay out of the sun or rain, whatever the need may be when you're driving your convertible in the summer. It'll do the job. 1965 Pontiac Tempest convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in